there's always a way to enjoy life, even when you don't have much. Because the truth is, you already have so much. Good health, family that loves you, a job, even if it's not perfect, and a church family that prays for you. You're not in a calamity, your children are safe, your loved ones are okay. When you start naming your blessings one by one, you'll see how truly blessed you are. You're never alone. The Holy Spirit is guiding you, and your name is written in the book of life. So see how small your problem is compared to how mighty your God is. Let gratitude be your starting point, every day, every hour. Because He promised, I will never leave you, even to the end of the age. Be grateful, God is with you.